welcome to another Angel on the Go video. Look at our cart. This is Manny's fault. Your fault.
I'll take that.
Manny's fault. All right, so we're gonna go through these toys really fast because we have an appointment, so we can't be in Walmart all day. But we wanted to bring you guys these deals so you guys can run down to Walmart. The first one is Monopoly Junior, and this is the Trolls World Tour. Look at that. I know you guys can see that yellow tag. I'm gonna zoom in. Look at that. Boom. $3. $3 for the Trolls World Tour Monopoly Junior. And it comes with Poppy, Branch, Queen Barb, and Cooper. I guess those are the characters. Look how cute that is. A Monopoly game for $3. $3. So this is the back of it. And again, only on Angel on the Go. $3. I'm going to show you guys the UPC. There's the UPC. Sorry about the glare. And the next item we're going to show you. This is a Netflix. Is this a movie or a show?
It's a show.
A show?
I think so. I don't know.
All right. Let us know below if you guys know. I'm not sure if this is a movie or a show, but this is Netflix Over the Moon. And I'm not sure who this is. What character is this?
Which one?
Fifi Moon Adventure. Is her name Fifi?
Yeah, Fifi.
All right, you guys. I think this is Fifi. So she has her little moon outfit, her helmet. I don't know, some alien, the whole outfit. And I'm going to show you guys the back. All right, so this is what she looks like. And again, this show or movie is called Over the Moon. Here's the UPC, and Manny is gonna scan. There you guys go. And you guys are not gonna believe how much this is. All right, ready?
Oh, wait.
No, you're not. You're not ready.
Ready.
All right. Look at this, you guys. $5. $5. Is it blurry? Does it look blurry to you?
No.
Look.
A little bit, but it's good.
A little bit. All right, so hopefully you guys can see the price, which is only $5, you guys. $5. So we end up getting 2. And again, I think her name is Fifi Moon Adventure. I think. So we got 2 of those at $5 a piece. We got the Monopoly game.
Alright, so this is another Over the Moon character. This is, what is this?
Have you seen the movie?
Kids are too old for this.
All right.
I think. I don't know.
So I think her name might be changed down here. I haven't seen the movie, but it looks good. It looks like you push the button on here and she does sing. Look at her. And again, the movie's Over the Moon. We just showed you the first one. So this is the second one. Again, she sings. All right. This is the back of the box.
She sings a couple of songs.
Oh, does she? Okay. So I think she sings a couple songs, you guys. We're just guessing at this point.
Okay.
Oh, right here. All right. And here's the UPC.
Oh, no.
And again, if you guys have kids that like this movie, this is the perfect time because they are on sale. All right, you ready? And again, this one sings, you guys. Look at that. Boom. $5. $5.
$5. It's only one song, by the way.
Oh, one song.
That's just talking about her, I guess.
Okay, sorry, you guys. She sings one song. But for $5, that's good. So we end up getting 4 of her. So we got all these. And I think this one is next. That's a different one than the other one we showed. So I think that might be Fifi, I think.
Yeah, so this is Fifi and Bungie.
And Bungie?
A little rabbit thing.
Oh, okay. Here's Bungie and Fifi. What is she holding? I think we got to watch the movie.
Mooncakes.
Mooncakes? Sounds good. All right, so Fifi got her little outfit on. She got her headband. She got her little friend, Bungie. And I don't know what that thing is in the back. All right, so there she is right there. There's the UPC. And we're going to go ahead and scan it.
Oh, yeah, that part.
Yeah, that part.
Yeah.
$4, you guys. $4. Only on Angel on the Go. So, just to recap really fast, the first one was $5. This one is $4. And this one right here that sings, she's only $5. All right, so we showed you her change that seems, and then we have another one. All right, so which one is this? Just a figure, right?
Yeah, I think she's just a figure with changeable shoes, I guess.
Okay, so look at her shoes, you guys. Oh, those are nice shoes. All right, she got her whole outfit. Again, this one does not sing. The other one does. There's her name. And let's show you guys the UPC. We need to start watching these movies so we can know what we're talking about. Let us know below if you guys seen this movie. I'll probably watch it later on this week when I'm working.
I know it's popular. The kids are just too old for it.
Look at that, you guys. $4. $4, you guys. You cannot beat that. All right, so the next item, let's see, is this one. You guys are not going to believe this price. All right, go ahead, because I have no clue what this movie is either.
Really?
I don't know.
Like your kids' era. This is Spirit, the horse. They just remade it into a
Oh,
Netflix
you know
show.
what I remember of Spirit? The pillowcase we found at $1 and we sold them all.
Yeah.
Oh, I like Spirit.
So this
right.
is the Netflix show. And this is Riding Academy? Whatever. I don't know if his name, I thought the name was Spirit, but I guess it's a different name.
I don't know.
Oh, Riding Academy. I'm tripping.
What did you say? You need my glasses?
Because I'm trying to read it sideways, so I'm like trying
Do
to
you
catch
need my
like-
glasses?
Yeah.
I'm about to give you my glasses in a minute. All right, so this one is, what's it called again?
Spirit.
What's the rest?
The Riding Academy.
All right, you guys. What? So they're both Netflix.
Yeah. What do you mean? Yeah, this Netflix shows, yeah.
Oh, okay,
But
Netflix.
this was a movie beforehand. So.
Okay, you guys. So again, this is the horse right here. I'm going to show you the back. There's the back. And if you guys see this at your Walmart, scan, because it might be this price. Now, there's the UPC. All right. And Manny's going to scan. Oh, you ready?
I was ready.
Look at this. Boom. $1. $1.
Can't beat that.
$1.
I don't know.
4
And
quarters.
Spirit is a mover, so
$1. The same as the pillowcases.
I know.
Okay, so we end up getting 3 of those. So we got 2 here, 1 up here. And the next item is another Spirit figure, I guess.
Yeah, so this comes with the character,
Who's the character? That looks like Strawberry Shortcake.
Maricela.
Who?
Maricela.
Oh, okay. And the horse is named Mystery, you guys. All right, so if you're familiar with the movie, you get the little doll with the red hair and Mystery the horse. All right, set of 2. All right, and it says here you can collect them all. There she is on the horse. All right, and we're going to go ahead and show you. You almost dropped that. There's the UPC. All right, and we're going to go ahead and scan it. Boom, 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 boom. $4.
These aren't cheap toys.
No.
Anything like Netflix, Spirit, Over the Moon, they cost a pretty penny. So if you guys got this during like the Christmas time frame, you paid a little bit of money. So if you didn't and you wanted it, this is the time to get it right here.
Or time to start, boom, reselling because we found another one. All right, so we actually got 2 of these, you guys. And then we also found this one, Abigail and Boomerang. Oh, this horse is pretty. I like this one. Look at that. All right, so again, this is the Spirit Riding Free DreamWorks movie. And again, this is Abigail and Boomerang. 2-piece. Can you turn it around? All right, that's what she looks like on the horse. And we're going to go ahead and show you the UPC. There we go. And Manny's going to go ahead and scan. You're ready today. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. I'm going to make a boom, boom song. $4, you guys. $4. All right, so we found 1 of those. Again, 2 of the other. And, oh, we got these too. All right. All right, we got a couple more things, you guys, to show you. There's a lot of Spirit things on sale.
Yeah.
All right, so what's this?
So this is for the horses.
All right, so you guys get 4 horses in the collection.
These are all the horses in the Riding Academy there.
I gotta watch this movie too because I have no clue.
You're on your own.
All right, so this is the set you guys get. All right, you guys. So in this 4-pack, you get Dusty, which is this one. You get Spirit, which I guess is the main character. Sugar and Tiger Lily. So you get the 4. And did we scan this one?
Nope.
No? Let's go ahead and scan it. All right, so here's the UPC. Right here. All right, and Manny's gonna go ahead and scan it. Look at this, you guys. $3. Riding Academy, only $3 for a set of 4. Is it Spirit? It's called Spirit Riding Free, right? Mm-hmm. All right, Spirit Riding Free. All right, you guys, up next, we just showed you this one. And now we found this one. So I think these are another set of 4 horses you get. Look at this. All right, again, this is the Spirit Riding Free movie. You get Diego, Sagebrush. I don't have my glasses, so let me know if I'm wrong. We got Mist and Bubblegum. Look at that. All right, so set of 4, and this one's also $3. I'm not gonna have Manny scan this one because we already did. This one's $3. Here's the UPC. Okay, so the $3 ones, we got 3 down here. With this set right here, I think we end up getting 2. All right, so we're almost done. Okay, is this the last one?
Yeah, that's great.
All right, so last one, you guys. We saved the best for last.
So this is the Cave Club.
Is this a show?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
We need to find out. I mean, we just find you guys a clearance. We really don't know what this stuff is, but we find the clearance. So if you guys know what Cave Cub is, there's the name. Let us know. They're super cute. Look like little cave girls. Mm-hmm. All right, so you get 3 of them. Here's one right here. This is Tella. How do you pronounce her name? Raleigh? We're gonna go with that. And this is Fernessa. Oh, that's a pretty name, Fernessa. I like her the best. Look at that. All right, so you get a set of 3. And if you turn it around, gonna show them the back. Oh, look at that. Looks like a cartoon.
Maybe.
All right, Cave Cub. I'm talking about Cave Cub. Cave Club, sorry. All right, and here's the characters again. You got 1, 2, and 3. And we're gonna go ahead and show you the UPC. Now you guys have to run to Walmart for this one because this is a great price. There's the UPC, and we're gonna go ahead and scan this one for you. Watch this. Boom, $5. Cave Club Doll 3-pack, $5. $5.
Unbeatable.
Only on Angel on the Go. Give us a big thumbs up. Only on Angel on the Go. All right, so just to review really fast, we got the Cave Clubs for $5, you guys, $5. We got the Spirit with this little girl with the red hair. These are, how much were they? $4. These right here, you guys, only $1. $1. All right, these sing along change from the Over the Moon. These are $5. All right, so we got a few of those. We got Fifi and Bungie, $4. All right, and then we have this one right here, $4. These were 3. How much is this one? $4. We got so much, you guys. This one is $5. And then the last thing we got here, the Troll Monopoly Junior for only $3. All right, someone's been a good sport. He's been sitting on the sidelines. Ready to go? I think he's ready, you guys. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and check out. Let us know if you guys score any of these toys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and click on that notification bell. See you in our next video. Bye.
Thank you.